Okay, welcome to another video. This one's going to be a real quick one, but it turned out I needed something, and I decided let's turn this into a video. So, it's come to that point in my life where I need readers, and I am a very forgetful person, so I need a pair everywhere. I need a pair on my purse, I need a pair on my desk, I need a pair by the bed, so, and then a couple spares too. So, now, I need somewhere to put my glasses in my purse, so we have this scrap piece of fabric here that was left over. I cut it out wrong, and so instead of throwing it away, I've kept it, and now it's coming handy for use. So what we're going to do is take our glasses and see what fits. I also want to I took one of my clothing label patches. I'm going to make a patch on it because why not have my label on it? So that covers front and back. Now what I want to do is have a flap over this that's going to be just as big as this. So a little mark fold in the fabric. And I'm going to bring that out. So our glasses are this wide. We want to go a little bit wider than that for a seam allowance. I'm just going to cut at a 90 degree, straight out to the edge of that. So basically what we're going to have is this little bag. This is going to be the top fold, and then this is going to be a pocket. There's going to be seams here. And then on this top fold, I'm going to place this. Let me press this down real quick. See this? This is going to be a really awesome video coming up. This is a 90s fabulous puff sleeve beaded wedding dress. And we are going to not only change the size of it drastically by 4 sizes, but we are going to modernize it and just see what we can do. Alright. I'm pressing down the edges on this little patch that I'm going to make. Pressing makes everything better. While I got this iron hot, I'm going to press this too. Alright, let's go to the machine. I should get real fancy and line this with help. Fabric scraps. Fabric scraps. Ta-da! That will be easier on the glasses. I freaking got them from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut a square that is as big as this. Alright. It's going to be my inside. This velvet is very stretchy and the base fabric is not. So I'm going to put a couple extra pins in here to make sure it doesn't move around. It's going to be on the inside. It's not going to matter really, but I guess I'm just being anal. So we're going to make this stitch all the way around these 3 edges. And then I'm going to take this, flip it right side out, and then we have our top flap. Let's go to the machine. Alright, we're at the machine. We're going to sew this down. Stay stitch it. Flip this. First, we need to clip some corners. clip the corners so there's not as much bulk when you turn it right side out. Alright, what we're also going to do, I'm going to put a little clip here. Put my little patch on. Let me pin this in place so it doesn't move around on me when I'm twisting it and turning it on the machine. Decided not to, I didn't sew over the patch, which turns out it's making a pocket on the inside. Yay! Alright, so now we're going to flip this right sides together. Before I wasn't going to have a raw edge, but now that I put that lining I did, so I'm going to turn this over real quick. Okay, so again I'm going to trim up the corners. The seam's not going to go anywhere because I put that stay stitch on the edge too. Voila! You know what? That doesn't look like it's gonna stay shut. Which gives me a good opportunity to talk about one of my favorite things. Baby snaps. Oops. Alright. Baby snaps. I think I'm gonna use red. These baby snaps, we have an owl, this press, this is made by Dritz. They are not a sponsor, although if they'd like to be, they're welcome to be. And then we have the little snaps. Okay. Since I have this on center, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put snaps on both of these ends. Let's take my little glasses out. I'm just going to go through all the layers. So on these snaps we have the backs, which are these little spiky things. And then we have your male and female ends. And what you're going to do push that through the hole you've made. Press one end on and pinch your fabric down. Okay, now there's a little, well, it usually, I've broken it, but it still works. Alright. And it presses that little spike down. And now you have one end of a snap. Make sure you put the opposite piece on. Because they're easy to put on, but they are really hard to get off. And that is how I broke my press. Ta! I've ruined some fingernails doing this. There we are. Ah! I'm going to it already. awesome. Let me sew this down. It's bothering me. Alright, now I have a little case for my purse glasses. How cute! And that took me all of 30 minutes to make, so you can do it too. So thanks for watching this video. We have a lot more coming up. I'm just trying to find that good groove of doing these regular job and stopping and setting up shots and making the video and editing the video and all that. So I'm working on it. But for now, enjoy this one, and hopefully we have another one coming up soon of a striped clown costume build. If you got anything out of this video, then hit the like button. If you'd like to see more of what we're gonna do, then hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and you will be notified of our next video. Until then, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.